This maths trick is based on algebra. So if you know algebra, it will be very easy for you to follow the video. Otherwise, you won't be able to figure out what is going on and you just have to blindly see what I'm doing. So kind of like this trick is for the smart people, to fool the smart people. So basically, it's going to take a little bit of brain for you guys. So I'm going to start the trick by just saying or writing down, let A equals to B. So that's my first assumption. These two variables are equal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this variable same and I'm going to multiply both sides by A. So multiplying both sides by A, which will result in A square equal to AB. Right, so that's the first step. Now the next step is I'm going to subtract B square from both sides, which is of course going to put the result as A square minus B square equals to AB minus B square. Now from here, if you see this part, it's actually an equation which can be broken down in the terms of algebraic formulas. So if we break it down, it will result in A plus B multiplied by A minus B. And from this side, what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to take B as the common variable from both of this, and then I'm going to take it out and it will be A minus B. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to divide both sides by A minus B, just like that. And then the A minus B will be equal to 1 on both sides. If we divide both the equations by A minus B, it will result in A plus B equals to B. Now here what I'm going to do is a very clever thing. So I'm going to use this one where I took the assumption let A equals B. I'm going to replace PLACE, replace A by B. So this will result in B plus B equals to B, which means 2B equals to B. Now if I divide both sides by B, what's going to happen is we're going to find 2 equals to 1. Now at this point, when we get the 2 equals to 1, we can further subtract 1 from both sides and we can get 1 equals to 0, which means eventually if 0 equals to 1 and 1 equals to 2, that means each and every number is equal to 0, which means every number is equal to 0. And that's how I can prove that maths doesn't exist. So it's kind of confusing, right, what I did exactly over here if you don't know algebra especially. But if you know algebra, it's going to be very hard to find out where is the actual trick played in this entire solution. So at this point, what I'm going to do is basically I'm actually going to number the first line, the second line, 9th, just like that. This 9 lines, among these 9 lines, you have to figure out in which of these lines this trick was actually played. So I'm not going to show you in this video, rather I'm going to make a video which is going to be unlisted and I'm going to put that link in the description. I don't do usually this type of math tricks. I mean, this might be the first and the last one, but who knows, doesn't matter. It's going to be a very fun video for you guys as well. And let's see who can come up with the correct answer. I mean, just post the line number. Don't post the actual answer in the comment section. I don't want that to happen. So that's it for this video. And if you guys are new here, then make sure you subscribe. That's going to help me create a lot more amazing videos like this one. Many fun contents like this one. And that's it for this video. Peace.